Well, that fucking sucks. That is a major fucking problem. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I am here at Mariner Sales. About a couple of weeks ago, I was at Fayette fishing, and I was on the lake for probably maybe about an hour and a half, and the fish really started to bite good. And then that's when I noticed this right here. And you know, the last thing you want to see on your kayak is a hole, especially while you're on the middle of the lake. So I had to head back to shore, and while I was doing that, I messaged my friend Mr. Duc Tran here at Mariner Sales, and that's where I got the kayak, and asked him to start working on the warranty process. Long story short, it's only 2 weeks. That was 2 weeks ago that I found that hole. So today I'm gonna go over why it's so important for you guys to find yourself a good kayak dealer, and why I recommend Mariner Sales as an option for that. So I'm gonna head on in, talk to the guys, and I'll see y'all here in a little bit. Well, I got the new kayak all loaded up, ready to go. Man, I can't tell you guys enough how important it is to have a good dealer. And I mean, these guys are the cream of the crop. I had a few extra parts on the old hull that I wanted to salvage for spare parts, and I was having trouble getting them off, and I didn't have time to really figure it out, and brought it here. They had no hesitation to help me get those parts off for me. Man, it was just the customer service here is just second to none. If you guys have ever been to Mariner Sales, you know, and if you haven't been here, I'm urging you, be it through the web, or if you can make that trip in person, do yourself a favor and make your next kayak or kayak accessory purchase through Mariner Sales. You will not regret it. All right, got the kayak, got her back at the house. Got my bumper bro on and getting it set. This is a new design. It's a longer kill guard now. They used to be real short. Happy to see that change. That was one of the things I didn't really care too much about the one I had, was it just covered too small of area. I also got my power pole mount installed with all new hardware. Previously, all the ones they sent with it broke on me, and I had to salvage some that I had laying around, but they weren't stainless, and so they were rusting out. So got that squared away. New to my rig is the anchor trolley. I got that installed. So that's the one new thing I got. I wish I could have got a lot more. When you go to Mariner Sales, it's real dangerous. There's a lot of stuff there that you want, and it adds up real quick. One thing that I forgot was how expensive the deck pad kit is. And I was actually planning on getting a lot more. I thought it was cheaper, but I remembered when I got the deck pad kit the first time, I had the discount for buying a new kayak. Mariner Selves gives a very generous discount whenever you purchase a kayak from them on everything else that you buy in store. So a little bit of sticker shock for paying retail, but the deck pad kit is probably one of the best investments on a kayak that you can make. It just quiets everything up. It's a much more pleasant ride, and especially when you're retying and you drop something, you don't have that loud thump. So got it all squared away for now, and next part you'll see me installing a deck pad kit. There she is. Just finished putting on all the deck padding and did the second pass of marine goop on the Burley Pro Bumper Bro kill guard. So let's take a look, shall we?